Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have GasClub lighter butane, and it is a 12-pack of butane lighter fluid stuff. So this is it here. It says 11 times premium gas refill. Let's open this up, and it looks like it's got a little metal tube. And then, if I have this here as my butane soldering iron, and let's just see if we can. I think we're supposed to shake it. I don't even know. I always do. And then we push it on there. This here doesn't make a great seal, so I'm probably going to get cold fingers. But look at that. Ooh, cold. But you see, it's filled. Oh, that was already filled. So it filled up fast. So there we go. Now we have butane in my little soldering iron. And I can put my cap back on and put it back in there. But it's a 12-pack. Look, you get a whole lot of these. So how sweet is that? Nice to have some butane again. And now I have my little lighter, and it's on now, but you can't tell, but you can't see the flame. It's so light, but works. So butane lights, get this 12-pack of butane canisters if you need a lot of butane. So thumbs up.